In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved home on Zillow. If your favorites list has gotten a little crowded, or you're refining your search and want to keep only the most relevant places, this quick cleanup will help you stay organized and focused. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zillow account. You'll know you're signed in when you can see your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. If you only see options to sign in or join, go ahead and log in so your saved homes are accessible. Your saved items are tied to your account, so they won't show up until you're authenticated. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. This opens a menu where you can access your personal tools. From there, choose Saved Homes. This takes you to the list of properties you've favorited. Think of it as a curated short list of homes you want to keep an eye on. Prices, status updates, and other changes will often be highlighted here, which is why maintaining this list matters. Now, find the home you want to remove. You can scan by the main photo, the address, or any notes you may recognize. If you've saved a lot of places, it helps to take a moment and confirm you're looking at the right one so you don't remove something you still care about. When you've located the home you want to delete from your list, click the heart icon on that home. The heart is a toggle. When it's filled, the home is saved. When it's outlined or empty, it's not saved. Clicking it again unsaves the property and removes it from your saved homes list. You should see it disappear from the page right away. This action affects only your personal account. It does not notify the seller or agent, and it does not change anything about the listing itself. If you're reviewing multiple homes, you can repeat this same process for each one you want to remove. Take your time and keep only the properties that still match your needs and budget. And if you change your mind later, you can always revisit the listing and tap the heart again to save it back to your list. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your saved homes, find the property, and click the heart to unsave it. Keeping your favorites tidy makes it easier to compare options and act quickly when the right home comes along. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.